Speed square tricks and tips. All you need to know about the speed square. Yes, I'm gonna talk to you. I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna give you all the tricks and tips. Some you might know, some you might not know. However, I'm still gonna jump in and dive in. So, of course, if you're new to the channel, you can consider subscribing as well as liking the video, and commenting, and of course, just come and be a part of the family, guys. Let's dive in. I'm basically going to give you them step by step. The first two is gonna be a bit simple, right? So now the first one is I'm going to walk you through the process on how to get. First thing you know, everyone know you can get a 90 degrees angle or a 90 degrees line from the speed square. Everybody know, you know that little bit of groove right there, yeah. So yes, so you're gonna add that to the about along the wood, and we're gonna run it. So look, I'm gonna show you now. So yes, you see, it slides, the groove there can slide against the wood, right? So put it there, right, and once you mark right there, you'd get a 90 degrees angle. See, it's still sliding. All right, cool. Look what I'm saying now. Watch. I'm just gonna mark right here, quick line right here. Yep, that's it. Now if you look at that line there, you'd see you get a 90 degrees angle right there. Cool. Now next thing in line, we're gonna show you now also to get a 45, right? So basically it's kind of the same thing. So of course you're gonna just line it up right there, right, just right there, and you're gonna draw that line. So that line right there is a 45. Alright, people, so that's just how you get a 90 degrees and a 45. That is the very simple, very basic. Right now, what I'm going to show you now is that you might not know that you can get any degrees you want from the speed square. You might not know that, right? So I'm going to show you now. There is a little hole at the tip, right? Yes, there it is. 1 minute. Yes, there it is. That little hole right there. Yes, that little hole right there, that hole can give you, with using that hole you can get any angle you want from the speed square, right? Alright, I'm gonna show you now. Cool. Yeah, so basically we're gonna get a 30 degrees. So first you're gonna put it there and you're gonna spin, right? Now in spinning you're gonna line it up now, and you can get any angle you want, right, just by spinning it and line it up. So right there, you line up there, you get a 30 degrees right there. Cool. Just draw that line real quick and you should be good to go. Cool. All right, that's your line. So now let's show you how to get parallel lines with the speed square. Now you can see those grooves right there, right? Yes, those little dots. Yes, with those you probably have your speed square you want there. You know, what are those for? Those are for you to get parallel lines with the measurement. So first you're gonna get a 1 inch line there. Yep. Now next we're gonna get a 2 inch, right? Slide, slide, slide. Yep, there you go. Here we have two parallel lines beside each other. That's how you get the parallel lines. Now moving on and showing you other tricks with the speed square. We're gonna get into something a bit more technical and something a bit more advanced, something that you might not know. Now let's dive into it and just have a quick chat. All right. Now you might not know you can use this when making your cut with your circular saw, right? However, I'm just gonna walk you through, just gonna show you, just gonna give you a quick dive. So basically what you need to do is put your square right there, put the circular saw right beside it, and then cut, and you could get a perfect square cut right there with your circular saw. You want to get a square, no say no more, you can do it with the circular saw. And yeah, so go one. Yes, and you should get a quick 90 degrees cut there. Of course it works with 45 degrees, or any form of degrees you want, you can get it. Now, not only the circular saw, let's say for whatever reason you want to use your jigsaw instead, no worries, it can work just the same. Let's jump in it, and I'm going to show you exactly how it can work with the jigsaw as well. Now, so just the same thing, you just line it up right there, cut, and it's right through. You get a decent cut right there and all that, and you could be good to go. Cut. So say no more. See, one more line, just make it square, and then you just cut, and that's all the tips and tricks with the speed square. Alright, so those are the tricks and tips. Again, if you like the video, just press like. If you find any value in the content, remember to hit the subscription button. And of course, if you have a comment, just leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.